So if I were to go around over here onto my website, let's just go around and let's say, for example, visit this site right here. And here you can see that there's a sample post and some content right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to remove all of it so that I can actually start fresh for this particular site. In that case, you can simply go ahead and delete out the site contents and reset it out. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto your dashboard and then go around onto settings and then onto the general section. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply scroll down and over here you can see that under the site tools, you can see that reset your site is an option. So you can see that it says remove all posts, pages and media to start fresh while keeping your site's address, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and click right here and you can see that this is what you have. So resetting to example.wordpress.com will remove all of its content but keep the site and its URL up and running. So the following contents will be removed. So you can see that I have 7 posts and then I got 1 page and 6 media items. So it says type example.wordpress.com below to confirm. So let's just go ahead and confirm this example.wordpress.com right here. Let me just go ahead and type this and click on reset site, and what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and reset out the site right here. And then what happens is that the site successfully gets reset. So now if I were to go around and refresh this particular page out, you can see that all of the posts in this particular site, including the pictures and the sample post that I had, has been removed. And you can see that it is as if this is a fresh site now. And that is how you can go ahead and delete out the site contents and reset it inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.